You are once again welcome. In this video, we're going to focus on relation, mapping, and function. So let's start with this sample problem. So we firstly read our solution, guys. On our solution, we're going to list the element of set P, 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. These are elements of set P. Q here is equal to f of x, which equal 2s minus 2. Okay. So according to set P, when x here was 2 minus 2, what will become of f of x? So our f of minus 2 will be equal to minus 2 square minus 2. In place of the x, you're going to put minus 2, okay? So our f of minus 2 will be equal to 2 times 2 is 4, minus 2 is 2, okay? So it becomes 2. Then we also come down when x was minus 1, what become our f of x? F of minus 1 will be equal to minus 1 square minus 2, which will be equal to 1 times 1 is 1, minus 1 is just minus 2 is minus 1. We also proceed downward. When s was 0 according to our element of set P, our f of 0 is 0 square minus 2, f of 0 is minus 2. Also proceed when x equal 1, our f of 1 is 1 square minus 2, so our f of 1 is equal to minus 1. Lastly, when x equal to 2, our f of x, f of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 2, so our f of 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, our element of set Q will be equal to, what was the first value? Is minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, right? Minus 1, and 2. So these are the values of all the element of set Q. And R2 say, what is R2? Draw a diagram. R2 say draw a diagram. R2, draw a diagram showing the mapping between P and Q. So we're going to draw a diagram by showing the mapping between P and Q. So say the mapping between P and Q is shown below in the diagram. So we're going to draw the mapping between P and Q in the diagram. So there's a diagram, as you can see. There's a diagram. So here, this is set P and this is Q. So what the element of set P according to our problem? As you can see, the element of set P, they come up element of cell P is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. And what are those elements of cell? What are those elements of cell Q? Minus 2, minus 1, and 2. So when x was 2, when x was 2, what become let's see, when x was 2, what become this will become 2, right? Become minus 2 or just 2. When x was 2, however x become 2. So that means this mapping coming, I hope you see what I'm doing here. Straight here. So when x was minus 1, when x was minus 1, what is y? What is however x become minus 1 also? Become minus 1 also. So when x was 0, what is y? I go, what is q? Our q become minus 2. So when x was just 2, when x was just 1, our y became minus 1. So this is the mapping showing between P and Q.